Okay.
Stay here with me. I want Mommy to start the video.
It's video.
Oh, wave going. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Alright, guys, let's go.
Okay, I want to go on the sled.
Okay, you go ahead.
No, Disney.
Oh, careful.
Oh, I didn't get that.
Here goes Disney. Here comes Sammy.
In the back.
No, I'll put him on the front. You gotta hold him. There you go. Here's Bieber's first sled ride. Watch out, Disney, honey. Hold on, she's slipping. She's so cute. Here we go.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the big
Up,
hill.
up, up. Well, if we're gonna go to the big hill, we have to go soon. Yay!
Disney, can I go?
Hello.
Dad, you're not supposed to step on the path. So otherwise it's not gonna go that fast. Put me on the No, just Disney, go, because I haven't went. Put me on the thing.
No, I want you to go.
Yeah, I don't.
If it's video, keep stopping and starting new ones, real long ones.